What happened to your body when you eat blueberries daily? So make sure to watch the full video. Blueberries, often hailed as a superfood, are tiny fruits packed with a plethora of health benefits. Native to North America, these vibrant blueberries have been a staple in the diet of many cultures for centuries. Known for their sweet yet slightly tart flavor, blueberries are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They offer a powerful combination of nutrients that can positively impact various aspects of health. Consuming blueberries daily can lead to remarkable improvements in your body's overall function and well-being. From boosting your immune system and enhancing brain function to supporting heart health and aiding in weight management. The benefits of blueberries are extensive and backed by scientific research. Their high fiber content promotes digestive health, while their antioxidants combat inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. Incorporating a handful of blueberries into your daily diet is an easy and tasty way to invest in your health. Whether enjoyed fresh, frozen, or in various culinary dishes, blueberries can provide substantial health benefits, making them a valuable addition to any diet. Let's delve deeper into the specific ways in which blueberries can transform your health when consumed daily. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Blueberries are renowned for their exceptionally high levels of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their distinctive blue color. These powerful compounds help to neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cellular structures and contribute to aging and diseases like cancer. Consuming blueberries daily can enhance the body's overall antioxidant capacity, providing a protective effect against oxidative stress. This can lead to a reduced risk of various chronic conditions, including cardiovascular diseases, certain types of cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. By incorporating blueberries into your diet regularly, you can support your body's natural defense mechanisms and promote long-term health and wellness. 2. Boosted immune system. Eating blueberries daily can provide a significant boost to your immune system. They are rich in vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin C, which is crucial for the proper function of immune cells. Vitamin C acts as a potent antioxidant, protecting immune cells from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, blueberries contain a variety of other nutrients, such as vitamin K and manganese, that support immune health. The high antioxidant content in blueberries helps to reduce inflammation and enhance the body's ability to fight off infections and illnesses. Regular consumption of blueberries can lead to a stronger, more resilient immune system, helping to keep common colds, flu, and other infections at bay. 3. Improved brain function. Blueberries have earned a reputation as a superfood for the brain due to their beneficial effects on cognitive function. The antioxidants in blueberries, particularly flavonoids, can cross the blood-brain barrier and directly impact brain health. These compounds help to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, which are linked to age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Studies have shown that regular consumption of blueberries can improve memory, enhance learning capabilities, and boost overall brain function. By protecting neurons and improving communication between brain cells, blueberries can help maintain mental sharpness and cognitive performance as you age. 4. Better heart health. Incorporating blueberries into your daily diet can significantly improve heart health. Blueberries are rich in dietary fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that collectively support cardiovascular function. The anthocyanins in blueberries help to lower blood pressure, reduce LDL cholesterol levels, and improve blood vessel function. These effects contribute to a reduced risk of heart disease, heart attacks, and strokes. Additionally, the fiber content in blueberries helps to manage cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol in the digestive system and removing it from the body. By eating blueberries regularly, you can support a healthy heart and reduce the likelihood of developing cardiovascular conditions. 5. Enhanced digestive health. Blueberries are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. The fiber in blueberries aids in regular bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting overall digestive health. Additionally, blueberries contain prebiotics, which are non-digestible fibers that feed the beneficial bacteria in the gut. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to improved digestion, enhanced nutrient absorption, and a stronger immune system. Regular consumption of blueberries can help maintain a balanced gut flora, reduce digestive discomfort, and support overall gastrointestinal health. 6. Improved blood sugar levels. Blueberries can play a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels, making them an excellent choice for individuals with diabetes or those at Risk of developing the condition. The fiber in blueberries slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood glucose levels. Additionally, the antioxidants in blueberries have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, helping the body to use insulin more effectively. This can lead to better blood sugar control and a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. By incorporating blueberries into your daily diet, you can support healthy blood sugar levels and improve overall metabolic health. 7. Healthier skin. The high levels of antioxidants and vitamins in blueberries can have a remarkable impact on skin health.
Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant found in blueberries,
is essential for collagen production, which helps to maintain skin elasticity and prevent wrinkles. The antioxidants in blueberries also protect the skin from damage caused by environmental factors such as UV radiation and pollution. Additionally, blueberries have anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce skin redness and irritation. Regular consumption of blueberries can lead to a healthier, more youthful complexion, with reduced signs of aging and improved overall skin health. 8. Weight management support. Blueberries can be a valuable addition to a weight management plan due to their low calorie and high nutrient content. They are rich in dietary fiber, which promotes a feeling of fullness and helps to reduce overall calorie intake. The natural sweetness of blueberries can satisfy sugar cravings without adding excessive calories or unhealthy sugars to your diet. Additionally, the antioxidants in blueberries support metabolic health and can enhance fat oxidation, helping the body to burn fat more efficiently. By incorporating blueberries into your daily diet, you can enjoy a delicious and nutritious snack that supports weight loss and maintenance goals. 9. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a major contributing factor to a wide range of health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. Blueberries have potent anti-inflammatory properties due to their high content of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. These compounds help to reduce the production of inflammatory molecules and protect tissues from damage. Regular consumption of blueberries can help to lower levels of chronic inflammation in the body, reducing the risk of inflammation-related diseases and promoting overall health. By eating blueberries daily, you can support your body's natural anti-inflammatory processes and improve your long-term well-being. 10. Bone health maintenance. Blueberries can contribute to maintaining strong and healthy bones. They are a good source of essential nutrients such as vitamin K, calcium, and manganese, all of which play vital roles in bone health. Vitamin K is important for bone mineralization and helps to regulate calcium levels in the bones. Manganese is involved in the formation of bone cartilage and bone matrix proteins. Regular consumption of blueberries can help to support bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. By including blueberries in your diet, you can ensure that your bones remain strong and healthy throughout your life. Incorporating blueberries into your daily diet can yield profound and diverse health benefits. These small but mighty berries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support various bodily functions. From enhancing brain health and boosting the immune system to improving heart health and aiding in weight management, blueberries offer a holistic approach to maintaining and improving overall well-being. Regular consumption of blueberries can lead to better digestion, stable blood sugar levels, healthier skin, and reduced inflammation, all contributing to a healthier, more vibrant life. Their rich nutrient profile supports bone health and protects against chronic diseases, making them an indispensable part of a balanced diet. The versatility of blueberries allows them to be easily incorporated into meals and snacks, whether eaten fresh, blended into smoothies, added to cereals, or used in baking. Their sweet and tangy flavor makes them a delightful addition to any diet, appealing to both the palate and the health-conscious individual. In conclusion, eating blueberries daily is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your health. By making blueberries a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy their delicious taste while reaping the numerous benefits they offer for your body and overall well-being. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.